This quick guide will teach you how to hide eBay sold listings. If you're an eBay seller looking to streamline your storefront or maintain a cleaner display of your available items, this tutorial is just for you. We'll walk through the steps to keep your sold listings out of sight, making your eBay selling experience more efficient and professional. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to ebay.com. This is your main gateway to managing all your seller activities. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a link labeled My eBay. Go ahead and click on it. This is your central hub on eBay, where you can manage everything from your active listings to your account preferences. Now that you've clicked on My eBay, you'll be directed to a new page. Here, you'll want to find and click on the Selling tab. This section is dedicated to all things related to your selling activities, including your active listings, sold items, and more. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area, as it's where you'll spend a lot of time managing your eBay business. Next, look around for the Shortcuts section. It's typically located on the left side of the screen. Under Shortcuts, you'll see an option called Site Preferences. Click on it. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your selling experience on eBay. In the Site Preferences area, you'll need to focus on the section labeled Multi-Quantity Listings. This is a crucial part of the process, as it deals directly with how your listings behave once items are sold out. This section might be a bit overwhelming at first glance, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through it. Within the Multi-Quantity Listings section, you'll find an option to enable listings stay active when you're out of stock. What this does is allow your listings to remain visible even when the inventory count reaches 0. This is a strategic move because it helps keep your listing active for potential future sales once you restock, but it also gives you control over whether sold-out items are shown or hidden. Now, you might wonder why enabling this option helps you hide sold listings. Well, the key here is that by keeping listings active without displaying them as sold, you maintain the flexibility to restock without losing your search ranking or listing visibility. It's a subtle yet effective way to manage your store's appearance without actively showing items that are no longer available. With that option enabled, you have effectively managed the visibility of your sold listings. This not only keeps your eBay store looking neat and organized, but also maintains your inventory's searchability for future sales. And there you have it, a straightforward and easy way to keep your eBay storefront tidy by hiding sold listings. By following these steps, you can ensure that your available items take center stage, providing a better shopping experience for your customers. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more of our tutorials to optimize your eBay selling strategies. Happy selling!